Hey there! Check out the SANWA Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, a slim and lightweight design perfect for on-the-go typing. It folds down smaller than an iPhone 14 Plus, making it easy to carry anywhere. This keyboard offers 17 shortcut keys for quick access to functions like copy, paste, and media controls. Compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, it works seamlessly with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Enjoy up to 36 hours of continuous use with its rechargeable battery and auto-sleep feature. The durable cloth hinge ensures long-lasting flexibility and reliability. Experience a quiet, comfortable typing session with scissor-style keys and 26 feet Bluetooth range. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.